Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to fix my Chitwood ferro rod and handle. I actually drilled a hole at the center right here and inserted a smaller ferro rod. I use crazy glue to see if it sticks. If not, if it falls off, I'll use epoxy. But this is the original handle from way back when I started getting these big 1-inch diameter ferro rods. And here's my handle right here, my Chitwood handle. I'm gonna dig all this stuff out with my Forstner bit. All right, I had a bunch of epoxy in there. Oh yeah, the hole is dug out. This Chitwood handle, it developed a crack because many times I got careless, left it outside for days, you know. That's part of the reason the epoxy got, hot, and with time, it just disintegrates. But I'm gonna use some CA glue right here on this crack. A little bit of sanding. And I'll just hold it like this. There it is. I just let the epoxy dry and we're good to go. One of my all-time favorite ferro rods with a Tom Chitwood handle. Long and strong, ready to get the friction on. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when the glue is set and we'll light a fire. This is some John Capps fatwood from East Texas.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
That's some beautiful fatwood. Check it out, folks.
Check it
Hell
out.
yeah. Hell yeah. East Texas fatwood, folks. Damn, those mosquitoes are driving me crazy. Alright, here's my Tom Chitwood handle ferro rod. I fixed it up. The other piece broke because I leaned too hard on it. But I mean, it still get a little tip right there. It'll be raised up a little bit. Easy peasy. Fire. Fire. Hey. Look at that East Texas fatwood from John Capps. I'll leave a link to John Capps' channel. He recently posted a video making a sheath for a knife that he made. And I'll also leave a link to Tom Chitwood. See you in this video, folks.